Now that we've created the opportunity process, let's look at what it takes to create an opportunity to begin with. We're creating a new opportunity with our friends Blue Glass Pharmaceuticals. Creating a new lab equipment for new lab site opportunity with Blue Glass Pharmaceuticals. In this case, it's an expansion opportunity because it's going to be a new location. The sales stages, we can set them across revenue line items in this case, and who's going to be the assigned to. By default, it's Jim. Down below, we have our different products. And we can go up here to our product catalog and choose different items. Now we've chosen several products out of the product catalog, and what you'll notice is they have their own intended and expected close date. They also have their own probability to close and their own sales stages by default. Let's go ahead and do some quick settings here. So by setting the sales stages independently for these, you notice that the probability to close increases based on what sales stage we feel that we are in. Also, we can choose our estimated close date for each opportunity line item. These two will be on the 25th. This one I think might take a bit longer, going out to June. And the user training and value proposition, we think we can close that this month. If you notice there's standard product pricing already involved, we can also go in here and edit the quantity of those various products and also assign any associated discount. If we go in and add a discount worth 20% or more, we can also invoke a sales process that will notify management that there needs to be approvals for anything with a 20% or greater discount level. Also, as part of revenue recognition based on the different groups, we can have a split process here. We know that training isn't owned by Jim, so we're going to go in here and add Zach. Zach owns the training. He gets the split on that one. Also, we're going to add Zach here to this other item. So now we're splitting the deal 50-50, Jim and Zach. You can also see this product is a service, so it's itemizing a service start date. And the question is that product renewable? We're going to go ahead and hit save. So previously we looked at when you have multiple line items, we can assign them to different people as part of doing the split. Another way is just looking at splitting the overall deal in general would be by leveraging this tab here that looks at split. And we can choose two-way, three-way, or four-way split. And by choosing three-way split, you notice that we've got primary, secondary, rep. It's already assuming the initial rep that's been assigned and running the opportunity will be the primary. Then we can go in here and choose the other additional people who would participate in this opportunity. We also have the ability to adjust if it's a 30-30-30 split, or if we are going to go in here and make a manual 20% and 40%, which would assume the remaining balance of the other 40 would go to the core rep. This is a very quick and easy way of managing splits across the board if we're not splitting at the product level. Now down below we have the ability to go and start adding all the tasks and events and various other items, or we can just go up here and apply the Smart Guide for the interactive quick deal to invoke the process. Now the process is applied and it's giving us our guidance and directions on how to move forward with the sale.